Number one, he needs to be obviously worth the race. Angat sa iba, sabi nga, di ba? Second, he needs to dialogue with the leader, with his or her leader. That, ito po yung plan ko to move my compensation from here to here kasi po, ito po yung need ko. Maaring mag-aasawa na po ako or meron po akong pinapagawang bahay. And then, he should ask, ano po ang pwedeng magawa ng organization to help me move that from here to here. So, notice na hindi mo hinihingi. Ang sinabi mo yung plano mo, so paano kaya po yung organization makakasupport sa akin? That means, kung hindi ka kayang suportahan ng organization, alam nung leader mo na kinakausap mo that you may think otherwise in staying kasi meron kang plan eh. And that plan, you're being very honest in sharing it with your leader. Kasi pwedeng, i-expose kita sa ganitong project or ilalagay na kita sa ganitong position, etc. Then that's where the promotion scenario comes in.